bridge from other chains to Metis using deBridge. Visit deBridge.finance. Click on Bridge in the top left corner. Select your desired source chain and token. Choose your destination chain and token. Click Confirm Trade. After clicking Confirm Trade, a Terms and Conditions agreement pop-up will appear. Click Sign and Proceed. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Click Approve. Here you can also specify the amount you want to unlock. Confirm the token amount in your wallet and click Approve again. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. For every transaction made on deBridge, users earn points in Season 1 of their points campaign. Congratulations! Now you have bridged to Metis using deBridge.